गोकुळात रंग खेळतो हरी, राधिके जरा जपून जा तुझ्या घरी. आज गोकुळात रंग खेळतो हरी, राधिके जरा जपून जा तुझ्या घरी. आज गोकुळात सखी.
Raghavan sir is desperately waiting to explain the importance and benefits of cow dung used in Holika Dagan. You know, it has got so much of significance. Let us see what Raghavan sir is telling. Over to you, Raghavan sir. Sir, please unmute.
Sorry, good evening. Let us just see the benefits of cow dung cakes and why it is used in Holi. Okay, let us see the process of creation of the cow. How the cow was formed. During the churning of the Milky Ocean, what happened was the gods and the asuras were trying to produce the nectar. I mean, they were trying to get the nectar, you know, of immortality. So what happened was, during that process, the creation of the cow happened, the Gauma. And so after that, as the cow was formed, all the gods, you know, they entered into the cow, because cow was is a very holy and pure, you know, one of the purest form of the animal, right? Which is worshipped by everybody, correct? Now, what are the benefits of, what does the cow offer us? What are the benefits offered by the cow?
The cow offers us milk. Milk.
Very good. What else? After the milk, what else we get? From the milk, what do we make?
Curd.
Very good. And also we make ghee. Correct?
Ghee. And my favorite food, paneer.
Yes, everything comes from milk, right? Now, imagine the cow just eating grass and giving us so much. Not only that, you know what are the other benefits of the cow which we don't know or which we are ignorant? No. The cow also produces, it also throws off urine, which is considered to be the holiest form of the urine. You know that? In fact, Lord Krishna, when he was born, he was actually bathed with urine. We don't know this. Not only that, let me also tell you that the dung, the cow's dung, is the purest form. Why so? Let me explain. Now what happens generally, I mean in the Upanishads also it is said that Gomaye Vasate Lakshmi. Now goddess Lakshmi is residing in the cow dung. Can you imagine? And what does goddess Lakshmi signify? Signifies wealth, prosperity, marital happiness. Not only that, in the Upanishad, in the Mahabharata, also epic Mahabharata, it is said that of all the 84 lakh yonis, I mean of the 84 lakh living species, only the cow's dung is considered the purest. It is not at all impure, it is the purest form. Okay, so let us understand this. We should learn, get this knowledge. Why cow is so important to us.
And cow's dung is also used for plants.
Yes, as a fertilizer. Very good.
Yes.
So now, but most importantly, let me just brief you on the other part now about why it is used in Holi. Okay. Now, the cow dung, as I said, is the most purest form of all the 84 lakh species on this earth. You know, of all the living species, only the cow's dung is considered purest. And not only that, let me tell you a little shlok. Ashtishwaryamayi Lakshmi Vasate Gomaye Sada, which means Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi, with its 8 riches, is residing in the cow dung. What does goddess Lakshmi offer? 8 riches. Can you imagine 8 riches? What are the 8 riches? Prosperity, fertility, good luck or good fortune, good health, knowledge, power, progeny, and strength. Progeny is the human, that is the child, you know, which comes in the family, born in the family is the progeny. So these are the 8 benefits of goddess Lakshmi, which is residing in that cow dung. So why not use cow dung for in Holi instead of the trees? If we are going to cut the trees and waste all the greenery around, we are inviting trouble, because there will be deforestation, environment, global warming, and that's happening today, is it not? So instead, why not use the cow dung? Why? Because cow dung cakes, when it is burnt, what happens? It purifies the atmosphere, and also it provides the, you know, the auspicious energies of the Lakshmi will be giving floating around in the atmosphere, is it not? When the cow dung is filled with that Lakshmi, when we burn it, it is going to spread all this energy around in the atmosphere, is it not? And that's why in this place called Singhpuri in Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh, already for the last 3000 years they are using cow dung cakes. You know what they do? The priests there, they sanctify this, they purify the cow dung cakes with mantra, chanting of mantras from the Yajurveda, and then with ghee, along with ghee it is done. Both this, you must have seen this, right? In many rituals we use cow dung cakes or not. You know, we feel it is bad, but unfortunately the bad things are good. Okay, so we must get this knowledge. We should try to understand what is good and what is not good, correct? So this is why cow dung is considered very, very good, very auspicious, and it is used in all the rituals. Whenever we do any function at home, you know, in the homam and all, it is used, correct? So that is why by burning the cow dung cakes in the Holi, it is going to purify the air, and also at the same time it is going to invoke the auspicious energies of goddess Lakshmi. Have you got it? Have you understood the importance of cow dung?
Yes,
So remember this, all the good things, please remember children, don't miss out any good things, all the bad things forget. Okay, thank you so much.
Any doubt, children, or you want to say anything about cow dung, where you have used in the house? In our earlier days, we used to clean the house with cow dung.
Exactly, yeah. The entrance of the house, the threshold should be actually cleaned with cow dung. You know that it is not bad. It is only we think it is bad. Is it not? Our thinking does not have any importance. What is good is good. Somebody may say God is not good, but that is not the case, right? So understand the difference between good and bad. Okay.
Anything else, children? You have got something to say?
Have you understood?
Okay. So those were the surprising facts about cow dung, isn't it? Thank you, Raghavan sir, for the information.